Cody in the kitchen with one of the brothers behind this successful idea.
True. Let's show them how we greet people in the kitchen. Dean.
Yes.
All right, there we go.
Yep.
Please introduce yourself to the folks at home.
Hey, my name is Tim. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Vite Kitchens. We produce Vite Ramen. What we believe the future of food should be is that everything you eat should have everything your body needs.
Oh, okay.
So
That makes
in
sense.
one packet of ramen, you can actually see it right here. It's a complete meal, and it has more protein than a protein shake. It has,
What?
yeah,
Really?
it has more prebiotic fiber than 3 cups of broccoli. It has every single vitamin and mineral your body needs, all in bioavailable forms.
And here's the thing, like, you know, when you're in college, like you guys were in college, when you came up with this idea, you need something like good, hot, tasty and everything, but you do instant ramen and it's got all the sodium in the world. Your stuff does not.
Yep, absolutely. We actually keep it at bottled at 25%, matched with actually our potassium content.
Oh,
because
wow,
for
really?
anyone who's taken biology before, sodium is a necessary nutrient in your body, and we treat it as a nutrient, so it's balanced at 25% along with the rest of them.
You were so smart. You were so smart.
And
This
of course,
is amazing. Okay, go ahead. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, and
I
of
mean,
course, if you enjoy saltier fare, you can always add a little bit more salt yourself, or soy sauce, or anything else.
Okay, so let's zhuzh this up. Show me how you guys zhuzh.
All right. So first of all, I only prepared 2 right now. We have soy
Well,
sauce
there's
chicken,
just you and me, so that's fine.
soy sauce chicken, and garlic pork. Which one do you want to dress
I
up?
think I'll do garlic pork.
All right. So usually you get things like egg and all that sort of stuff. I didn't go with that. Everyone knows how to just, you know, crack an egg in there. Let's go with some more interesting things.
Okay.
So we actually have a Kickstarter going on right now for our new flavor. It is the spicy chili crisp, spicy Szechuan chili edition. And this actually came about because we have one of our favorite toppings that we personally added a ton of was this right here. Fly by Jing's Szechuan chili crisp. I have a pallet of it at home basically, and we were eating so much of it, and we're like, you know what? We should ask him if we can collab. And so that's how this came about. And personally, this is my favorite thing to add.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and doctor up the garlic pork with a little bit of this stuff.
All right.
This is the best chili crisp and chili you will ever have.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Looks delicious.
Look at
Okay.
that. All right. And then as far as getting it doctored up even more, personally in the garlic pork, you want a little texture? Chicharrones. This stuff is amazing in there.
Our director, Jonathan Maris, just passed
I
out.
know.
Just passed out.
I heard him pass out over there.
So we're going to add a couple of these in here.
The pork rind action.
Yeah. I don't like to be shy with them. Oop, there we go. And then for a little bit more texture, personally, crispy jalapenos.
Ooh.
Crispy onions.
Ooh. Let's not do the onions,
So
but
this
definitely the
isn't-
jalapenos.
This is for date night.
Jalapenos? All right.
This is not meant for date night, just for just to clarify. Make sure everybody knows.
And then there's some other stuff that's a little bit more out of the box. Personally, that I really like to add. Doritos.
What?
Another actually great crunch. It adds actually really spicy flavor to it. And actually, here's a really cool thing. Cheese ramen is really popular in Japan, and actually in a place called Ramen Tenma down in San Jose. You can also get San Jose cheese ramen. So sometimes I personally like to add American cheese.
Okay,
and
now you're making up stuff.
No, I'm serious. It's great. And then also over here, you actually have Parmesan cheese crisps if you like a little bit of crunch to it.
Okay, we're running out of time. Tell folks how to find your fabulous ramen, my friend.
Yeah, so you can find our ramen online, viteramen.com. And you can also check us out on Kickstarter, where we are trying to get our new spicy flavor made.
Okay.
Give it a shot.
You going in?
Going in.
You got to slurp. You got to slurp.
Yep.
There you go.
Get a slurp.
It smells amazing.
Ooh.
Okay, I think we've lost Cody for the week. Yep. We'll be having lunch.
Gotta
for
work
the
on that
rest of the
slurping.
hour.
I know. It's really hot.
It's actually been cooling for a bit too.
This is delicious.
Thanks.
And I like the balance between the sodium and the potassium. That's a good idea, because usually I'm like, oh, I feel myself swelling as we speak. This is so good. Nice to meet you, man. Good luck to you guys. I hope you make $1 billion.
All right, thanks, Jen.
Awesome.
Hey, hi.